What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have this interesting question that says find the value of x given that 9 is equal to 3 to the power of 4 to the power of the square root of 2 raised to the power of x. Well, we can actually call this the exponent ladder. Let's see how fast we can solve this. I'm going to be starting with the one on the left hand side. 9 can be written as 3 squared, and this is equal to 3 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. Now we see that the base on the left and the base on the right are the same, so we can equate their powers. So the power on the left is 2. This is equal to the power on the right hand side. We have 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. Now we're still sticking to the left hand side. Well, 2 is same as the square root of 4. I chose this because I see 4 here on the right hand side. So this is equal to 4 raised to the power of the square root of 2 raised to the power of x. And the square root of 4 is same as writing 4 to the power of 1 over 2. This is equal to the right hand side, which is 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. Once again, we see that the base on the left and the base on the right are the same, so we equate their powers. So the power on the left is 1 over 2. This is equal to the power on the right. We have the square root of 2 raised to the power of x. Now let's simplify the left hand side and the right hand side. 1 over 2 can be written as 2 to the power of negative 1. It's an inverse of 2. This is equal to, now the right hand side, we have the square root of 2, which can be written as 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Just as writing the square root of 4 as 4 to the power of 1 over 2. Good. And this is raised to the power of x. Now, we can apply the law of indices here, the exponent law. So we have 2 to the power of negative 1 on the left equal to 2. The exponent law means we can multiply the powers. So 1 over 2 times x gives x over 2. Now, once again, the bases are the same. Now we can equate their powers. The power on the left is negative 1 equal to the power on the right is x all over 2. I have a fraction on the right hand side. We can make the left hand side a fraction by putting over 1 there. Now let's cross multiply. X times 1 is x. This is equal to 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So the famous value of x is negative 2. And that is our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.